Hey there, today we're going to look at how to create an attribute block in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, over here, understand that attributes are used to add text-based information inside blocks. Then, know that they make your blocks dynamic and customizable. After that, prepare a simple drawing like a name tag where the attribute will be added. Now, over here, type ATTDEF in the command line, then press Enter to open the attribute definition window. After that, start defining your attribute settings inside the window. Then, over here, set the tag name as name. After that, define the prompt as what is your name so the user knows what to enter. Now, over here, set a default value that will act as a placeholder before input is given. After that, click OK to place your attribute in your drawing, then your attribute is ready to be used inside a block. Then, over here, your attribute block is created successfully. After that, you can copy and paste it anywhere in your project, and AutoCAD will prompt for input each time. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.